The average professional spends over 3 hours a day on email. That is 15 hours a week. 60 hours a month. Think about that. You are losing the equivalent of a full workweek every single month just reading, sorting, and responding to messages. But here is the truth that most people do not realize. With the AI tools available in 2026, you can cut that time in half or more. In this tutorial, I am going to walk you through a complete system for automating your email inbox using free and low-cost AI tools. We will cover AI-powered sorting that automatically categorizes your mail, summarization tools that compress long email threads into bullet points, auto-reply assistants that draft responses for you, and custom automation workflows that handle repetitive email tasks without any human intervention. By the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step blueprint to reclaim hours of your life every single week. Let's build your AI email system. Step 1 is sorting. Before you can automate anything, your inbox needs structure. Most people have thousands of unread emails sitting in one giant pile. That is overwhelming and inefficient. The first thing we are going to do is set up AI-powered sorting. If you use Gmail, you already have a powerful ally built right in. Gmail's AI-powered tab system automatically separates your mail into categories. Primary for personal messages. Promotions for marketing emails. Social for notifications. And updates for things like receipts and confirmations. But most people never optimize this. Here is what you need to do. First, go to your Gmail settings and make sure all 4 tabs are enabled. Then, for the next week, every time an email lands in the wrong tab, drag it to the correct one. Gmail learns from this and gets smarter over time. Within about a week, your sorting accuracy will be over 90%. But we can go further. Gmail filters are where the real magic happens. You can create filters based on sender, keywords, or subject lines. For example, create a filter that automatically labels any email containing the word unsubscribe as promotions and skips the inbox entirely. Create a filter that marks receipts as read and files them under a finance label. Create a filter that star emails from your boss or key clients so they never get buried. The goal is to have your inbox contain only emails that actually need your attention. Everything else should be automatically filed before you ever see it. This single step alone can reduce the number of emails in your main inbox by 70% or more. Step 2 is summarization. We have all been there. You get added to an email thread that already has 30 messages. And before you can respond, you need to read the entire history to understand what is going on. That can take 10 or 15 minutes per thread. AI summarization eliminates this problem entirely. The tool I recommend for this is Shortwave. Shortwave is an AI email client that works with Gmail and turns your inbox into a smart, manageable workspace. Its standout feature is AI summarization. When you open a long thread, Shortwave generates a concise summary of everything that has been discussed. Key decisions. Open questions. Action items. Who said what? All laid out in bullet points at the top of the thread. You can read the summary in 10 seconds instead of spending 10 minutes scrolling through the full history. But Shortwave does more than summarize. It also has a built-in AI assistant that can answer questions about your emails. You can ask things like, what did John promise to deliver by Friday? Or, what is the status of the marketing project? And the AI searches your entire email history to find the answer. Shortwave also has smart bundles that group related emails together, so you can process them in batches instead of one at a time. The free tier is generous enough for personal use, and the AI features are available without a paid plan. If you deal with long email threads regularly, this tool alone will save you hours every week. The psychological benefit is huge too. Instead of feeling overwhelmed when you see a 30-message thread, you feel in control because the summary tells you exactly what matters. Step 3 is auto-drafting replies. This is where the biggest time savings come from. Writing email responses is the most time-consuming part of email management. And the truth is, most emails do not require a carefully crafted, original response. they need a clear, professional, appropriate reply. And AI is exceptionally good at generating those. Here is the approach. Both Gmail and Shortwave now offer AI-powered reply suggestions. When you open an email, you will see suggested short replies at the bottom of the screen. These are generated by AI based on the content of the email. For simple emails like confirmations, acknowledgements, or quick answers, you can often just click a suggested reply and send it. Zero typing required. For more complex emails, you can use the AI Compose feature. You provide a brief instruction, like, confirm the meeting time and ask about the agenda. And the AI generates a full, professional email. You can adjust the tone to be formal, casual, or friendly. You can make it longer or shorter. The AI handles the structure, grammar, and phrasing. Here is a pro tip that most people miss. You can use ChatGPT or Claude as your email drafting assistant. Copy the email you received, paste it into your AI chat, and say something like, draft a professional reply that confirms I will attend the meeting on Thursday and asks if there is anything I should prepare. The AI generates a polished response in seconds. You copy it, review it, and send it. This workflow takes about 30 seconds compared to the 5 minutes you would spend composing from scratch. And the quality is often better because the AI catches details you might miss. Step 4 is building custom automation workflows. This is the advanced level, and it is where email automation becomes truly powerful. The idea is to connect your email to other apps and services so that certain emails trigger automatic actions without any human intervention. The tool for this is Zapier or Make.com. Both are automation platforms that connect hundreds of apps together. And both have generous free tiers that are perfect for getting started. Here are some practical email automations you can build today. Automation 1. When you receive an email with an attachment, automatically save it to Google Drive or Dropbox and send yourself a notification. No more manually downloading files. Automation 2. When you get a new lead or customer inquiry, automatically add it to your CRM or a Google Sheet and send a Slack notification to your team. Automation 3. When you receive a calendar invite, automatically check your availability using an AI scheduling assistant and propose 3 meeting times. Automation 4. Set up a weekly digest where an AI reads all your emails from the past week and generates a summary report of key items, decisions, and action items. Automation 5. When you mark an email as important, automatically create a task in your task manager like Todoist or Notion with the email content and a due date. Each of these automations removes a manual step from your workflow. And when you chain several together, the compound effect is enormous. You go from manually handling every email to having a system that processes most of them automatically. Zapier's free plan gives you 100 tasks per month, which is enough for several automations. Make.com offers 1,000 operations per month on their free plan. Start with one automation, get it working smoothly, then add more over time. Step 5 is putting it all together into a daily routine. Having tools is not enough. You need a system. Here is the AI email workflow I recommend. It takes about 15 minutes a day and replaces hours of manual email management. First, batch your email time. Do not check email constantly throughout the day. That fragmenting destroys your focus and productivity. Instead, process email twice a day. Once in the morning and once in the late afternoon. Each session should take about 7 to 10 minutes. Here is what you do in each session. Open your inbox. Thanks to your AI sorting from step 1, your main inbox should only contain emails that genuinely need your attention. Everything else is already filed. For each email, use the 2-minute rule. If you can respond in under 2 minutes, do it right now. Use the AI suggested replies from step 3 for quick responses. If an email needs a longer response, use AI to draft it in 30 seconds, review it, and send it. If an email requires action that will take longer, use your automation from step 4 to create a task and get it out of your inbox. For long threads, read the Shortwave AI summary instead of the full history. Make your decision and move on. The key principle is touch each email exactly once. Open it. decide what to do with it. Do it. And move on. Never open an email, think I will deal with this later, and close it. That is how inboxes spiral out of control. With AI handling the sorting, summarization, drafting, and task creation, you can process dozens of emails in your 15-minute session. And then you close your inbox and get back to actual work. This routine transforms email from a constant interruption into a controlled, manageable task. Let's recap the complete AI email automation system. Step 1. Set up AI-powered sorting with Gmail tabs and filters so only important emails reach your main inbox. Step 2. Use Shortwave for AI-generated thread summaries and inbox search. Step 3. Leverage AI auto-reply suggestions and drafting tools to cut response time from minutes to seconds. Step 4. Build custom automations with Zapier or Make.com to handle repetitive tasks like saving attachments, logging leads, and creating tasks. Step 5. Process email in 2 daily batched sessions using the touch once rule. Combined, this system can reduce your email time from 3 hours a day to 15 minutes. That is over 12 hours saved every single week. If this tutorial helped you take back control of your inbox, smash that subscribe button. I drop new AI tutorials and productivity guides every week, and each one is designed to save you time and make you more effective. Drop a comment below with your biggest email frustration, and I will reply with an AI solution. Share this video with anyone who is drowning in email. Until next time, this is FYI Bot, helping you work smarter, not harder.